I wrote down two nouns. Look at them. What do they resemble? They resemble mudaf, mudaf ilayhi. Are you with me? They resemble mudaf, mudaf ilayhi. So in other words, Brother Hassan, from 3 to 10, the construction is mudaf, mudaf ilayhi. Huh? Also in English you say 3 pens. Okay? There is a plural there. But in Arabic, we say thalathatu khutubin. What do you say? Thalathatu khutubin. Sahi? So what is the construction? Mudaf, mudaf ilayhi. Okay. I'm going to do it very briefly, brothers and sisters. I won't rush. Huh? We will repeat this tomorrow also. Okay? But now, in this thalathatu kutubin, which is mudaf, mudaf ilayhi. Brother, what is thalathatu? Is the number. Al-adadu. Sahi? Number. And what is al-kutubin? Ma'dud. What is ma'dud? The thing which is being counted. Adad wa ma'dud. Al-adadu wal ma'dud. Adad, number, and ma'dud is the thing which is being counted. Fine? You got the idea? If you can write down this, it will be nice. Inshallah. And give them a circle so that you understand adad and ma'dud. Okay? Now, let us analyze it. Ma'dud is mudaf ilayhi. Is it correct? Brother Abdul Samad, Ma'dud is mudaf ilayhi. And what is it? Is it singular or plural? Kutubin. Plural. So in other words, Ma'dud will always be plural. What will it be? But only from 3 to 10. We are not going beyond 10. From 3 to 10, this will be the situation. I told you, a drama is unfolding in front of our eyes. Okay? Okay? So in other words, Ma'dud will be plural. Sahi? And adad, adad, what do you see in adad? Do you see here kutubin? Everything in Arabic is either masculine or feminine. What is it, brother? Masculine. Is it masculine? Kitabun is masculine. What is this? I see ta marbuta there. It's feminine. So this is, no, if the ma'dud is masculine, then the numbers are opposite. And don't ask me why. I didn't do anything. Okay, that's the way the language is. Only from 10, 3 to 10. So, if the ma'dud is masculine, the number will become feminine. In lesson number 19, Dr. Abdurrahim only explains the ma'dud which are masculine. In lesson number 20, we will do the other way around. But what is the other way around? Brother Hassan, if the ma'dud is feminine, the number will become masculine. Okay? So it's very easy. So, I see in Salasatu that it is feminine. Do you see it is feminine? Why? You see ta marbuta there. Salasatu. Okay? And then I see kutubin, which is plural. Okay? Now, ma'dud will always be mudaf ilayhi. And then the number will be mudaf. What will be number? Mudaf. So that's why I said if you are strong in mudaf ilayhi, this is halwa puri, brother. Otherwise, it's difficult to digest. So, salasatu kutubin is in the form of mudaf and mudaf ilayhi. But mudaf ilayhi, brothers and sisters, in this case will always be jama. Will always be jama. That we have to understand. So all the plurals that we have been doing, that will come to use. Okay. 3 books. How I say 3 pens? Salasatu aklamin. Got the idea? Salasatu aklamin. Got the idea? 3 houses. Salasatu buyutin. 3 sheikhs. Salasatu shuyukhin. Are you with me? 3 students, male students. Salasatu tullabin. Are you with me? Salasatu tullabin. Okay? Fine. So this is the way it will be. Okay? How about 3 boys? Salasatu awladin. 3 men. Salasatu rijalin. Now our knowledge of plural will become very handy and you will enjoy it, inshallah. Okay? So I go back again. Mudaf, mudaf ilayhi. Madud is always mudaf ilayhi, so it is majroor. What about mudaf? I can see there is no al, which is good. Mudaf cannot have al. I see there is no tanween. Mudaf cannot have tanween. Sahi? Now there is one more thing about mudaf compared to mudaf ilayhi. Mudaf ilayhi is majroor, majroor, majroor. But mudaf can be done, can be done, can be done, depending on the sentence, how it is used. Are you with me? So salasatu can become salasata. Kutubin will remain kutubin. Salasatu kutubin. Now I make it salasatu into mansub. Salasata kutubin. Now I make it into majroor. Salasati kutubin. Depending. But the kutubin will remain kutubin. So what is, brother? Number 1, and naat man'ut. Sahi? What is it? Naat man'ut. Number 2, naat man'ut. Number is naat and this is man'ut. Sahi? When I come to 3, it's no longer naat man'ut, but it is mudaf ilayhi. And the mudaf ilayhi is always jama, because that is the thing we are counting. Like pens, books, 3 pens, 4 books, 5 houses. Okay? So it's jama. Then salasatu, the number, if the ma'dud is muzakkar, then the number is muannas. And if the ma'dud is muannas, the number becomes muzakkar. We are going to understand it, inshallah. So, how will I say to you, let us try to count 3 to 10 with the book. Ready? Everybody will say loudly. Let's do it together. Okay? Starting from 3. Salasatu kutubin. Arba'atu kutubin. Khamsatu kutubin. Sittatu kutubin. Sab'atu kutubin. Samaniyatu kutubin. Tis'atu